Wow.
Wow, Jinwa. Everyone's still asleep. What's up, Denver? No plan, yo.
Man, I can see your GoPro, man.
Subhanallah here. This is Jinwa, Zakaria, Jinling, Denver No Plan, Swampy, on the way to Toubkal.
That was nice and quick, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was called. We called it a dismount.
This was all pre. What's it? Pre-acted out.
Pre-planned, pre-thought out.
Yeah.
If you see that thing there, the post there, just the police post, and that's the reason why we are moving at this hour, and the reason why we parked our van somewhere close to the start of the unofficial starting trail, and pick up our bags and move off hastily, swiftly, you know, into the woods, into the forest, and begin our hike up to Toubkal. This is because of the terrorist attacks on 2 Scandinavian girls 2 years ago. The 2 girls were killed here in the mountains by the reportedly the ISIS-linked terrorists. And they have enforced some mandatory rules for all hikers to Toubkal to have a guide, you know, a guide to the mountains. And but if you're here in Imlil, everyone here that's from Imlil are basically a guide. It's basically a guide, and you have to get a guide to go up to the mountains nowadays. And you know, nowadays it's Corona times as well. A lot of funny little things with the authorities, and especially here in Morocco, when people in uniform or some authority figure would basically use a lot of that power at free will. But the team is not gonna bow down to authority. Look at how Mr. Zakaria and Jinling leading the way.
Jinling, fucking big criminal over there.
Jinwa, oi, sahabi, sahabi, hey, Sherry.
1, 2.
Now you have 2. So we are going on the way to Toubkal without any guides. The only guide being the light in our being the light in us, guiding us to Toubkal, inshallah. And here Jinling navigating a shop, navigating Denver No Plan,
Watering the flowers.
having a
Do you know flowers are up here?
Denver No Plan making his mark.
Just so we don't get lost. And you know what they say? No matter how much you shake and dance, the last few drops always end up on your pants.
That's gonna stay in you for at least 2 days. Since we are gonna be here for at least 2 days. Yeah, that's the plan. We're trying to do a 2-day hike here in Toubkal. We can do a 1-day one, but we will not be able to do the sunrise. So we're trying to do the sleepover at the base of the mountain, and inshallah get up early and watch the sunrise from the highest peak in North Africa, Mama Africa. This time we are more prepared, I would say, in terms of specs actually. In terms of water, food, getting the map and the route and directions and everything. Because I think the week before, me and Van No Plan, we came here. We did an overnight camp with the rest of the guys, and then Van No Plan and I went on a run around this trail all the way near to Toubkal.
السلام عليكم صباح الخير. احنا في إرمد، احنا دابا في إرمد. الحمد لله إن شاء الله توبقال.
إن شاء الله إن شاء الله
توبقال الدراهم.
These are apple trees. And you don't see the apples anymore because they have harvest all the apples. Winter is coming. We try and get up to Toubkal before it gets too cold and snowy there, and they'll make the hike very, very difficult.
Hey, welcome to the water park! €3 per ride. You either go on the slip and slide or the lazy river.
What's this you're talking about? Then by no plan.
The water park.
Mahaba bikum Toubkal National Park.
Everyone.
Jinling, come here. Jinling, come on!
Jinling waited for this for close to a month, more than a month, to see this sign.
Training hard.
Oh, stingy.
I mean, she's been hardly trained.
She's been training her cooking and eating and sleeping skills. Welcome to Toubkal.
Oh, shukran, Jinling. Got on the boat.
This is the new team now, the Toubkal.
Go!
إنا يا حبيب وليد اسكا. إنا يا حبيب وليد اسكا. إنا يا حبيب وليد اسكا.
Shamharoj. Shamharoj. And we have arrived at this place. This is City Shamharoj. And see plenty of water everywhere along the trail. This is the road we came from. We're here. There are a few cafes here. Some hanuts. Hanuts are like mama shops, like provision stores in Morocco that sells everything you need. We are making good progress. Look at Jinling. Zakaria. Hey, what's up?
Hello, Jinling viewers. How are you? Welcome.
This is DVMP.
Wow.
هينا يا حبيب وليد الشوق. هيك كلنا حسيدي ستو. هيك كلنا حسيدي ستو. غيادي يخشنا غيادي يشقر. غيادي يخشنا غيادي يشقر. غيادي يخشنا غيادي يشقر.
Salam alaikum Shams. Hello. Bonjour. Namaste. Hola. Buenos dias. Bom dia. Hola. Konnichiwa. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ciao an. الشمس مزيان.
زوينة بزاف دابا طلعت علينا الشمس كنا محتاجينها.
هدا
بردنا بزاف.
يه.
درنا البرد بزاف. انا درنا هنا غطيتها بهذه.
هذا صباحنا. صباحنا. صباحنا.
صباح النهار.
صباحنا. Morning. صباحنا means morning goodness. The light, the goodness of the morning light upon you. This is what they wish each other in the morning, you know.
It's quite a nice one, isn't it?
Yeah, it is nice one, this one. Wow, I like this. This piece is also a nice piece. I think this piece is pretty cool as well.
Wow, I'm angry. Ooh,
You're angry.
Wow, this one has a nice, you see that up behind?
Nice emerald green.
Yeah, behind is nice also. This one is nice. This purple, this one is purple.
Papai.
Purple. Time check, it's 15 past 10. We arrived at this little shop here. So let's cook something to eat. Getting hungry. شكون هو؟
جليسي.
Wow, that's amazing. Break time. Have a break. Have some Attay. Attay.
No glass.
We forgot to bring glasses. So we found some glass bottles.
Jim forget.
And تباك شوية ماتيشا كيزو بطاطا لماسكون نودل شينوا نودل وسباغاتي باستا كورونا فندونا منادا سمونا شلادا
فتونا خرطونا.
New flavor from Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. New look. And oh,
ha, Coca Teh.
Coca Teh.
Coca Teh, only in Morocco.
In Morocco, just in Morocco. Jin, wow. Check Jin.
Bismillah.
بصحتك.
Basatik. Cheers. This is how you drink Coca Teh.
Whoa.
What's going motherfucking what's ya? Motherfucker.
Yo, that's not Coca. ماشي كوكا-كولا هادي.
هاي غايدي حسنا غايدي اسمع إنا يا حبيب وليد اسكن إنا يا حبيب وليد اسكن هكا كل لا حسيد اسكن هكا كل لا حسيد اسكن غايدي حسنا غايدي اسمع غايدي حسنا غايدي.
Living now. This is smoking in the mountains. See the clouds. So we are at the back of the refuge. Tonight we're gonna sleep early and tomorrow climbing to Toubkal.
Zigzag Jinling. Zigzag Jinling.
Tea. And oh, look at the soup is boiling. We're gonna make some noodles for everyone, and inshallah the good dinner. I hope you can see the full moon. Just about the second day of the full moon, and it's about 5 a.m. in the morning, and we are off. This is the last approach to the top of Toubkal, the summit, and I hope that you and I will all see the sunrise on this day. The moon is amazing. It's about to send us the last burst of moon energy before the sun comes and welcomes us. I think the sun is about to rise. The day 2 climb is not easy at all. Starting from the refuge, it's all the way a steep climb, and you can see all this. There's just some scree hills with loose rocks. You need a lot of energy, and air is very thin as well. Last approach, last burst of fire. Look at this view.
We're not there yet. There's the summit. If you can see it up there, that little triangle. Almost there.
Exactly.
Let's go.
There's the sun.
أشكال ذاتي فرقين أشكال ذاتي فرقين أزمون ذاتي حتى وأشكال ذاتي فرقين أزمون أشكال ذاتي فرقين أزمون ذاتي حتى وأشكال ذاتي فرقين أزمون أشكال
Assalamualaikum. What's up? Check out where we are and who is here. Zakaria.
Zach.
And the Banjo plan, of course. And look at this full power Chinois China.
The highest Chinese girl in the whole of Africa. Right here on the 2nd of October 2020. If you're Chinese and you're higher than her, let us know.
This.
السلام عليكم واخيرا وصلنا جبل توبقال ماشي لاكتيف جبل توبقال وانت كتشوفوا معنا وهذا فانو بلان هو اللي خرج علينا فانو بلان ما كاينش شي جبل ما طلعنا ليه جميع الجبالات كيطلعنا ليه حتى كيهربوا لينا كيبان لك هو شتوه هو جيلين
Salam alaikum, motherfuckers.
هاي جيلين تاهي في الجبل شتا جيلين جات من الشينوا ضربات الجبل وبنادم بالنسبة في المغرب 60 سنة هنا عمرو طلع الجبل ديال توبقال هو الجينوا تا هو جا من الغفور وطلع الجبل ديال توبقال.
Salam alaikum.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? Namaskar. Salam alaikum. This is the end of video, Jinwao. Just want to thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, you know what to do.
Stick that stick straight in your asshole and hit that like button right below, my friend.
That's right. Like and subscribe.